My dear Janoni Raymond's I would prefer to be some place alone with you rather than supplicating you are feeling as I do. I'd prefer be gazing into the profound latest of your eyes, looking, investigating, economic, cherishing my mystery. I have chosen to reveal to you I've never seen you, never meet you, whatever here or then again smiled or contacted you won't ever be that as it may honestly I am profoundly, gnarly, frantically in mode with you since I realize that you are in mode with me as will feature more the evenings I am furtively requiring you. You are yearning for me as will to many my tears appear to be unimportant. They are significant to you sometime our winding ways will meet also I'll simply be ever. I we tracked down you tell that day I will need to pass since when we see us one another also the profundest of hearts are encoded. Our affection will be timeless worth each more for a second that we passed. However, we are separated for one more evening. Our second is a day closer. The anniversary of my grave in the still of the night, without daylight to interfere. I recognize the sound in I clearly as the moon sets up the state of mind playing music delicate and low while sentiment swells into the atmosphere. I can't rest the urge to feel simulated the exact second you approach you submit to my hug will candless flag there far future more the smile of sweet fragrance appears to make my desire crazy. As I investigate your eyes with what's more, run my finger through your hair. I taste the pleasantness of your neck as I snack at your ear. I then at the point murmur echoing statements as you reply with a moan, feature more in an exceptional hot way. Your sweet body wakes up. You are the invested of my craving as we grandly come stripped down. I then at the point began to lay you down. Well, you invite me struck with your tasty hot hand bends. You have a taste, I can't help it. What's more, your bosom shows some reaction at the point when I contact them with a kiss. As I drench inside your affection to a hot love condition. Feeling interests began to race will having intercourse in all positions. You give me such a lot of daylight, for bliss is here with you, wrapped inside my arms to this warm love we share presently. Nobody can come close to this adoration that we move for no one but you can fill this place. Also the intensity of my craving first time love without precedent. For my grand life, I feel love stream in my heart, a similar heart once thought cold and inert loads up with magnificent bliss and joy as a result of a lady whose soul is brimming with enthusiasm. Here his eyes that sparkle like spire stars, loaded up with warmth and excellence, a grain that gives joy to my miserable reality. I have never known love as of recently as a result of the manner in which she contacted my heart, grabbed hold of my discord soul, feature more showed me the magnificence of love's miracle, all that I thought and untakeable. Everything appears to be inside my grasp. I rethink everything due to something I thought shameful to feel love's delicate kiss. Feature more illustrated in its magnificence so due to the sensations of a lady whom I would here adore now and tell me heartbeats its last note to life's incredible town. How I miss you, my dear. How I miss you touch. I miss your murmur of I love you to such an extent. Your adoration is so sweet, so delicate, so magnificent, very much like the sheep or my adoration. For you is so obvious, thus profound. I supplicate that my affection you will always keep. I love you the more every single day. I love you, baby, all round. I love it when you grow. Oh my God, that makes me poor. Lel is where I need to be me satisfying you and you satisfying me. I need to be contacting you skin to skin child. I am prepared for our lives to start. I am counting the days up to that point. You will each for adoration never from this point onward. I will cherishing you like insan until the end of your life. You will have the dearest companion, darling, and spouse. I need to be your being, and I need to be what compels your heart sing. I love you, dear. Kindly never questions. I love you so much. I need to yell once more until we were together. Hold me in your heart. I am holding you in many as I have all along.